This is Nick. I'm going to show you how to take a Milwaukee. This is a short throw press tool. Catalog number 2674-20. This tool is a Milwaukee, and it's just meant to be used on Viga Pure Flow pipes, which is, let's see, PEX pipe. This was just made by Milwaukee for PEX pipe. The other day I was on OfferUp, and I saw somebody was selling this here, Virax, and it's by Stanley, and assembled in France. Anyways, I bought some of these on OfferUp, and this all happened by accident. But I took this to work with me, and see the bit on this? This bit is good for ProPress fittings. And I took this to work with me, and I got to looking, and basically what I ended up doing, this is actually a whole nother Virax gun. I got 4 of them actually, but I took the bit out of one of the other guns and I put it into the ProPress tool, and it works perfectly. See these bits? They're removable. You can make this 1/2 inch, 3/4, or 1 inch. But if you can see here, both of these are the same. I had to remove these. Because they actually have a bump on them, so they wouldn't work. They wouldn't fit into this bit. But see here, this is actually removable. But I have the Milwaukee pieces on there. That was the only way it would slide down into here. But the width of the 2 holes on the Virax is exactly the same width. See? But it works perfectly. Check it out. It's already been tested. It crimps. It's unbelievable. But look here, I'm gonna put this together. Whenever you're using ProPress fittings, always put it together and put a mark on it. Because if you don't bottom out a ProPress fitting, it could leak. Anyway, see my mark? Then when you pull it apart, you know, that way you know that you've got it all the way in. Then you get out your tool, put her together on the mark. So basically, I took a Milwaukee tool that was designed only for PEX pipe, and I made it to where it does ProPress pipe now too. So if you can get your hands on one of these, you can make this $1,500 tool a $3,000 tool, because it'll do ProPress and PEX pipe. And that's the end of this video.